Today I will be making a banana cake. Hi, today I'll be making a banana cake. I have got all mashed up bananas here, 3 bananas, 3 rotten bananas, any size. If it's too small, make it 4. And I have 4 eggs, sugar, 100 gram sugar actually, and 120 gram oil, 150 gram self-raising flour, and 14 gram bicarbonate soda or 2 teaspoons bicarbonate soda. If you don't have self-raising flour, just use plain flour with the same amount of bicarbonate soda plus adding like 2 teaspoons of baking powder. But I'm using self-raising flour because I have self-raising flour, so I'm not using baking powder. So I'll start by adding the 150 gram self-raising flour into my mashed up bananas, and I'll just make a hole like this. I'll add 2 teaspoons of or 14 gram or 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 14 grams, 14 grams baking soda. I'll add this 100 gram sugar, any kind of sugar you have, can be whatever sugar, and I have oil, 120 gram oil, and sorry about that, and 3 eggs. All goes in there. Then stir, quick stir. Then doesn't need to be stirred too much. That's good enough, as long as all the flour is mixed all the way through, so all stirred, fine. Then you get ready your baking trays. Just, I don't have grease-proof paper, so what I will do is put some butter in there, mix up like this. Should have done this ready earlier, but here you go, all the butter. Mix, add some flour in there. This is all from stopping it sticking the flour. Sticking the cake. It will be easy to take it out and using it instead of greaseproof papers. So I'll do that in there. Put that there. And add the mix into it and bake 170 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. That's it. And bakes up for 170 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Cake is ready. I cooked it for 30 minutes. Checked it with toothpick. So all is cooked. Nothing is wet. So that's what it looks like. Banana cake. Thank you for watching. And try to make it banana cake, የሙዝ ኬክ